All-party Hurriyat Conference has raised grave concerns over the rapidly worsening human rights situation and the rise of the state-sponsored terrorism in the occupied Kashmir. In a statement issued in Srinagar, APHC spokesperson Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas said India is systematically violating international laws and conventions in the territory. Senior All-Party Hurriyat Conference leader Mirwais Umar Farooq has called for immediate release of all the illegally detained Kashmiri leaders, lawyers, journalists and activists languishing in the jails across occupied Kashmir and India. In a statement shared on X, Mirwais reiterated the demand for right to freedom and liberty for thousands of the incarcerated Kashmiris. A Kashmiri vendor was manhandled during the ongoing International Gita Festival in Kurukshetra, a city in the state of Haryana, India. The incident has drawn widespread condemnation after the footage of the event went viral on the social media. All-Party Hurriyat Conference Azad Kashmir chapter convener Ghulam Mohammad Safi has expressed deep sorrow over the passing of Maulana Abdul Aziz Alvi, a prominent religious scholar and dedicated leader of the Kashmir Freedom Movement. In a condolence message, Safi praised Maulana Alvi's lifelong struggle for the freedom of Kashmir. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has called on India to take immediate and concrete steps to protect the rights of the minorities, especially Muslims across India. In a statement, Farooq Abdullah expressed grave concern over the increasing attacks on the Muslims, stating that such actions undermine India's constitutional principles and harm its image. National Conference MP Agha Syed Ruhollah Mehdi has announced the plans to move an impeachment motion in the Indian Parliament to remove Justice Shekhar Kumar Yadav of the Allahabad High Court, stating that he violated the judicial conduct with the remarks made against the Muslims at a Vishwa Hindu Parishad event. Justice Yadav, while speaking at the VHP event, reportedly stated that India must be governed according to the whims of the Hindu majority.